Our raised bed garden is finally complete, and it already feels like a small green world waiting to come alive. The circular shape gives it a beautiful natural look, and the bamboo wall made from last year's leftover sticks stands strong, holding everything together. Inside, the layers of soil, dried grass, and manure have started to blend naturally. The soil feels soft, alive, and full of tiny movements that tell you life has begun under the surface. The cardboard around the edge is slowly breaking down, adding more organic matter. It's amazing how something built from old, recycled materials can look so fresh and full of potential. Now that the bed has settled for about 3 weeks, it's time to take it one step further. We're going to add something special, a composting system that works right inside the garden bed. Think of it like a heart pumping nutrients into the soil every single day. This system will constantly feed your plants with organic matter and compost tea directly at their roots. And guess what? It only takes one thing to build it, an empty 5-liter water bottle. Take that bottle and make sure it's clean. Now, with the help of a soldering iron, carefully make small holes all around the sides and bottom of the bottle. These holes are the secret. They let air go in and compost tea go out, keeping the decomposition process active and healthy. Once the holes are ready, we'll move to the next part. Using a cutter or knife, partially cut the top of the bottle. Don't remove it completely. Just make a flap that can open and close easily. This way, you can feed it with kitchen waste anytime, and then close it back to keep it clean and safe from flies. Next, we'll fit this bottle into the raised bed. Choose a spot right in the middle so the compost tea spreads evenly throughout the soil. Dig a hole just big enough for the bottle to fit snugly. Place it in, press some soil around the sides, and make sure only the cut open top is visible above ground. The bottle should feel firm and steady when you touch it. Once it's fixed, the rest happens naturally. The holes we made will allow moisture and microbes to move freely between the bottle and the surrounding soil. Now it's time to bring this system to life. Start adding your kitchen waste, things like fruit and vegetable peels, tea leaves, or wilted leaves from the garden. All these things that usually go into the bin will now become food for your plants. When the bottle is half full, sprinkle a handful of ready compost on top. This compost will introduce millions of beneficial microbes that will start breaking down the waste quickly. Within a few days, the waste will begin to shrink as it decomposes. You can keep adding new waste every few days, and it will continue to turn into rich compost right inside the garden bed. But here's where the real magic happens. We are going to pour in a special liquid fertilizer that we made a few weeks ago using charcoal, compost, molasses, and water. This liquid is like a booster shot for your soil. It's full of life. The charcoal helps hold nutrients and moisture. The molasses feeds the microbes, and the compost brings in healthy bacteria and fungi. When you pour this liquid into the bottle, it activates everything inside. The microbes multiply fast, breaking down the kitchen waste and creating compost tea that slowly seeps out through the holes into the soil. This tea is full of nutrients, and as it spreads underground, it directly feeds the roots of your plants. Within a week or two, you'll start to notice the difference. The plants will look greener, fresher, and stronger. The leaves will get bigger, and the soil will stay moist longer without hardening. You'll know that your little composting system is working perfectly when you open the bottle and see dark, rich compost forming at the bottom. That's the power of combining natural waste with living microbes. It creates a never-ending cycle of growth. The best part is that you don't have to do much to keep it going. Just keep adding your kitchen waste and occasionally pour a little more of that magical fertilizer to keep the microbes happy. This system quietly does its job, day and night, feeding your plants naturally. There's no need for chemical fertilizers, no waste, and no extra expense. Everything works in harmony. The bottle, the soil, the microbes, and your plants. In just a few weeks, this simple recycled setup turns your raised bed into a self-sustaining ecosystem. The kitchen waste you throw away becomes food for the soil feeds the plants, and the plants return the favor by growing stronger and healthier. It's a small cycle of life, built with nothing but creativity and a little effort. Once you see how beautifully it works, you'll realize you don't need expensive equipment to grow a thriving garden. All you need is a bottle, a bit of patience, and the magic of nature doing the rest.